everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today it is Friday and I'm trying out this new thing where I'm kind of setting a whole day aside to basically get loads of great content and have a fun day. I know this sounds crazy, but I think over the last year or so I've made my job into a very 9 till probably 6-7 p.m. kind of job, and I'm always glued to my laptop just getting through emails and editing and all of that kind of stuff. And then something just switched recently and I was like, wait a minute, when I first started this job it was all about creating content. That's what I am. I'm a content creator, and I feel like I'm really struggling at the moment to find the time to get the content. So I thought if I just put one day aside a week, or even, if I can't do that, once a fortnight, just a whole day where I'm not doing emails, I'm not doing admin work, I'm not doing meetings, I'm just having a great day to get loads of good content. So I'm hoping today is going to be one of those days where I just get loads of lovely photos, and I'm obviously vlogging, and I think I've got a really nice day planned, but I'm just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. I'm starting my day off doing something that I absolutely love that I haven't done for ages. I'm going to be making pancakes. They're super simple, they're easy, quick, simple ingredients. I'm just going to be using some oats, some non-dairy milk. I've got the Plenish coconut milk here, which is really delicious. Banana, that's basically it. I'm going to add a little bit of bicarbonate of soda, but other than that it's all about the toppings. So I've got raspberries, blueberries. Don't have any coconut yogurt, which is normally quite nice to add a dollop on top of your pancakes. So maybe just a bit of maple syrup or something. I'm so excited to make pancakes on a Friday. There we go, so that's all done. I'm just going to leave that there for a bit while I heat up the pan, and I'm just going to grease the pan with a little bit of coconut oil. So here are the pancakes. I'm gonna add some raspberries, blueberries, and then I've also got some almond butter and a little bit of maple syrup as well. I am so excited about these banana oat pancakes. So easy to do as well. Well, so far my Friday fun day is going very well. So the plan for today is I'm gonna go and meet my friends Venetia and hopefully Rosanna as well for a bit of coffee just at about 11 o'clock. And then I have a meditation course that I'm starting. So it's Friday through to Monday, and it's only 2 hours every single day. So I've got that this afternoon, which I'm really looking forward to. I don't really know what to expect, but Venetia's done it before, so I'm gonna ask her a million things today. And then I thought after that, so I'll probably finish around 2:30, I'll then walk over to the Saatchi gallery and just kind of have a look around the gallery, because I love going there. And I haven't been in a few weeks, so I don't know what their new exhibitions are. And yeah, I suppose that's it. I'm seeing some friends tonight for drinks and dinner, so I'm really looking forward to today. I think it's going to be a pretty good day. So I'm just on my way to South Kensington now. I'm just going to hop on a bus. It's the easiest way to get around. Breakfast was amazing. Oh my god, my Friday is already so good. So much better than a usual midweek day. I've found myself posting a lot of letters recently. This is seriously the most beautiful florist. I love it all. I just want my house to look like this inside. What do you guys think of my sunglasses, by the way? I got them this week from the Sunglasses Hut. They're by Niomi. I really like them, they're really different. Oh, I'm here, meeting Venetia at Le Pan Quotidienne. Matcha latte time with Venetia. Hello. Hello. I thought your sister was coming actually as well.
Oh,
Where is she? This is such a disappointment.
I said to her I wanted one-on-one time.
Oh, yay!
I'm
okay.
So
Cheers. One-on-one time. Zen, Ben, and Niomi. I am loving this sun. Look at our sunglass babes.
It feels properly springy.
I feel happier and free already.
Vitamin D. Yes.
This is such an amazing muse. I had no idea that this even existed. So I think I'm around here. Very cool. I am feeling so relaxed after that. That was about 2 hours of learning to meditate. We were given a mantra that we're not allowed to tell anyone, so it's a secret. But I've now got Saturday, Sunday and Monday of that as well. So I really like it. I feel so calm now. Oh, I was also meant to mention that I am meeting Joe now for lunch. I'm going to go to Squirrel, which is just around the corner. I love this spot. Here it is. It's like a tree house inside. I'm going to try and find a table up there. That is so cool. I love it here. Here he is. Shall I meet you in the tree house? Yeah. So, I know it doesn't look like much, but it looks like just a bowl of spinach. I think it's going to taste good, and I'm loving the music in here. As is Joe. That was so nice meeting Joe for lunch. We never ever do that midweek. So now I'm just going to go to the Saatchi Gallery, I think. So I've arrived at the Saatchi Gallery. This is the entrance to the Saatchi Gallery, and a few years ago now I actually did a photo shoot right here for LK Bennett. So if I can find that image, I'll insert that here now. Just been to Sea Press on the King's Road to grab myself a smoothie. It's like a plant-based protein smoothie. It sounds pretty nice. It's got like banana, blueberries, hemp protein, and then also picked up a protein bite as well. And I'm just gonna walk home. It's such a nice day. It's gonna take like 40 minutes, but I just thought the sun's out, got my day free, so I might as well. And I've actually done everything a lot quicker than I thought I would, so yeah, why not? I'm just walking around Chelsea and it's unbelievable how beautiful it looks and what a difference the sun makes. Like, I've been walking around these streets all winter and they're just grey and gloomy, and then as soon as the sun comes out you can just see how beautiful it all is. So I'm back home now. I'm just doing my makeup because I'm getting ready to go out and meet a couple of girlfriends. We're just gonna go out for a nice dinner. I got back probably like an hour and a half ago now, and I got in, and I hate to say it, but I ended up doing work, and I obviously didn't plan to do any work, but because I did everything kind of like really quickly, like not that I was trying to get everything done, but I did all of my things, ticked everything off of my list that I wanted to do today, and yeah, so I came back and did some work, and it was great because I actually caught up on all my emails and I edited a video, so yeah, it's really, really good. I don't feel like bad about doing work on a non-admin day. So yeah, I did that. Now I'm just getting ready to go and meet the girls. We're just going to a place called Megan's, which is a lovely restaurant, and I actually went there a couple of weeks ago with my friend Charlotte. So yeah, we're gonna have a nice dinner, have a girly catch up, and go out for a couple of drinks after. So it'll be really nice. Although Michael at the meditation today, who was running the whole thing, did say to people not to go out and drink and have a mad one. I'm not having a mad one though. I'm just like out, not relaxing at home, meditating. Oops. Look at these beautiful girls who I'm with. Cheers! Yay! Food has arrived. I've gone for the vegan sourdough pizza. Looks delicious. I've had such a lovely day. I need to do this more often for sure. I think it's just really good, especially with my kind of line of work where I'm a content creator, and it's hard to like just feel creative and inspired all the time. So taking a day like today every now and again just really, really helps to get that inspiration back and just get content. So I'm really glad I did that today. I feel like I got loads done, but also just had a really nice time. It was so, so good to see the girls tonight. We just had a lovely meal at Megan's and then a couple of drinks at the pub afterwards. So yeah, it's really, really good. But I'm back home now. I'm gonna get some sleep, and then I've got meditation in the morning again. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.